Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDNTV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Bayelsa State Governor Senator Diri has stressed the importance of collaborations between various tiers of government to promote good governance and sustainable development in all parts of the country. Senator Diri made the observation recently while commissioning a 100-bed space mother and child hospital built by the Bayelsa State Government in partnership with the presidency in AKUGHA, the state capital.
Bayelsa State Governor Senator Diri had approached Office of the Senior Special Assistant to the President on Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) to seek a collaboration in the implementation of the Global Action Plan on Poverty Reduction and general well-being of the world's increasing population by the year 2030. The outcome of the partnership between the Bayelsa State Government and the Presidency was the construction and commissioning of the 100-bed space Aisha Muhammadu Buhari Mother and Child Hospital located at Azikoro Town in the city of AKUGHA. Governor Diri, who was optimistic that the facility would greatly reduce maternal and infant mortality rates in Bayelsa State, underscored the need for collaborations between the federal government and subnational governments to facilitate attainment of the SDGs by the year 2030.
There is no level of government that is standing all alone. The federal government needs the state governments as much as the state governments need the federal government. This facility will be very beneficial to us as a people. In fact, for me, it is one of the best things that has happened to us as a state.
Senior Special Assistant to the President on SDGs, Dr. Adegoke Adefulire, who attributed the intervention to the federal government's policy on poverty reduction, commended Senator Diri's drive for development in Bayelsa State.
Altogether, we have 4 projects in one, and that's why I congratulate the governor of Bayelsa State for this laudable partnership. The governor indeed is very passionate about his people.
The Bayelsa State Governor, accompanied by the Senior Special Assistant to the President on SDGs, later proceeded to Sampo in Kolokuma Opokuma local government area to commission a skills acquisition training center also built in partnership with the Presidency. The Skills Acquisition Center, fully equipped with a variety of instructional facilities, is designed to train future entrepreneurs who would become employers of labor, as Senator Diri observed.
There is a paradigm shift in our policy in education. We are moving away from paper qualification to skills acquisition. And that's why we must continue to partner with you. As a state government, we are building 8 new technical colleges. And all of these colleges will be fully equipped.
According to Senator Diri, his government had released about 3.5 billion naira in the counterpart funding of some 4 critical projects undertaken to reduce poverty and improve the welfare of Bayelsans.
Inside the Niger Delta,